Here we sell ackee, seasoning. We have green breadfruit here. Over there we have the roast breadfruit, plantains. Anything you like, you can get it out here. I'm out here for the past 2 years now. Visiting like Saturday, Sunday. Breadfruit and ackee get the most sale on those days. Because you know that's why we call it out here Ackee Village. And jelly, the time is hot, so they want a whole lot of jelly. This is my first time doing this business. I normally do nails. Never thought about setting up a structure to sell like this, never. I don't have no problem. It's been fine so far for me. I don't know about the others, but I know it's fine for me. As vendors out here, everybody look out for each other. If no one is at their stall, somebody can go to their stall and assist whoever is there. So we work as a team out here. How much ackee? How much dozen?
How much?
How much dozen ackee? 150 a dozen?
1 dozen.
1 dozen?
Yeah, 1 dozen.
I've accomplished a lot because, as I say, it's my first doing this business. So I don't know if anybody else want to come and do it. Come and join. To me, it's a better facility. And moving us off the street and putting us somewhere that's so good. The price is a little bit high, but we can just step over it someday. So we can like have customers from abroad and coming in and taking out breadfruit and ackee. My name is Dawn. I'm from Barbican and I sell at Ackee Village.